Hanging roof.
It's not
Hanging.
little color. It's standing like a Barbie house. Like with a little kid. I could play my little pony with it in the dress up, and I have internet there. Okay, I'm ready for this.
Fun hearts up too.
Edges.
The excess.
The excesses of the plastic. It's like cutting a paper.
Be careful so that the stickiness will not be ruined.
We are done at the
First door.
first door. But before we
Put the second door.
the second door, we're gonna do step 8, which is the roof. We're gonna put up the roof, as you see, which is half roof.
Hanging
but
roof.
it's not
Hanging.
the little color, but it's so fine. So cute, I could play dolls with that.
Okay, we're gonna do a double-sided tape.
Now, can you get the big one?
That's the big one.
Oh, the other big one.
Hey, you finish that first.
Move the chair first, because I think you can see under my tummy. I'm taking off that.
That's too much. Only half.
It's right.
It's
right.
Lessen it a bit. Here. That. You got it. Okay, so you put there on two sides, here and here.
This double-sided tape is so sticky that can shut my mouth up. That's just a joke, just kidding.
Okay.
My sister said that it can shut my. Oh my gosh! No.
Okay, you do it again.
That's
Not that
one.
one. That one.
Okay.
Careful.
Okay, so what I'm gonna take off these things.
You put here pa another one.
Oh. How small? Okay. Oh gosh. So, just like a little petite.
Okay.
We're just gonna put it there. And then now to take off it. 1, 2. We're gonna take off 3. Okay.
And then you put it here.
Wait. Like that?
Like that.
Okay.
Just enough to.
That's good.
That's good.
I took it.
Oh,
Oh, it's so cute! It's so cute. It's standing like a Barbie house. Like for the little kid. I could play my little pony with it in the dress up, and I have instruments there. Okay, I'm ready for this thing. We're gonna need 5
popsicle stick.
popsicle sticks. We're gonna cut it into
Two.
2.
In the middle.
In the middle. So I've been cutting these things.
You're already done cutting it into 2.
2, and this is the
We're going to paste
so we're
it.
gonna do it like that.
No. Here.
Oh.
that. We're going to paste it like that.
So, let's start.
So, let's
this
start.
is step
9.
9.
Just a little amount.
Here?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, a bit pa. On the lower part. Yan. Oh, so then you put it there. Put it there. Yan, like that.
oh my gosh, moving.
Like that.
I'll like tissue it. I will remove it later.
Let it dry. So here, put it here.
Maybe if I want to it to be.
You have too much glue. You lessen it. It's too much. Okay. Next.
Okay guys, so we're gonna cut the
Platform.
Platform.
Since we're going to adjust its
we're
color.
gonna adjust its color.
For the basement of the
I need
house.
the other scissors. This black scissors. There, small cutting. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do, the new platform will be, we're gonna put the white and then the white, another white, the middle
with design.
for the design and another piece for the design. So this is paste this on the back on this
Back of the board.
like this.
Yeah.
I hope it won't fall. There. Then the other one. I like this black scissors because it can cut well.
Center it.
Guys, so we are done in the house platform. It's so huge for the house.
Okay, so
So
we're
then-
gonna
Stick it right
paste the house. No, not in the middle. Because we're going to have here another set of...
How about the swimming pool? Will it be?
Here. The swimming pool is around
This
here.
has to be more big. Gonna put the
Tape.
tape here because my mom drew the line.
So we
She's
could
excited.
paste the
Paste
house.
the house. So I could paste it with a big armor. Just kidding. Let's go. It will go here. Okay guys, so we're done at like taking off. Putting all the tape. So we are taking it off already. Gosh. Like that. Then the other one. Now we're gonna stick to the house because we're done.
Wait.
Oh gosh, it's big one.
That's fine.
Oh my gosh, look! My little pony can walk. It's like the same height, and here there's a space here. So I'm gonna play this later after. 11. We're gonna put the
Plastic
plastic
cover
cover into
for the railings. To have
it's like a
a
glass
glass railing.
So we'll have
Glass balcony.
Okay, so I'm gonna do like that.
So you got it.
Here.
Oh, no. You give allowance like that.
flowers mean?
So you could paste it together. And you're just gonna cut it later for the
It's
excess.
annoying already. I should take that off now. Okay, good guys. So we're done at the
Balcony
balcony
railings.
railings, and now we're gonna put it here.
Okay, so here. I'm going to put
Where?
this one, the liquid, the glue.
Whee! What's the coloring? Okay, so I'm gonna stick it carefully.
Yeah, like this.
Oh my gosh. It has some. Wait, I'm gonna get some of these and then. So we already pasted it. Look at. And I'm gonna test with sunset shimmer. Okay, so we're gonna mimic it into the floor.
The doors and windows of the second floor to
here.
first floor.
And what is this? This is really. What is this? Is the bedroom?
Bedroom.
And then down here is.
The entertainment or living room.
Where's the kitchen?
Here, over here.
Oh, I'm so excited to
Or at
play
the
with
back.
my little dolls. Something's here. We're gonna climb up. Step 11. We're gonna put. Oh my gosh. We're gonna put 2 of the popsicle sticks, and we're gonna glue it until it goes like this. Like HeARTstig one.
That's for the post.
Post. Is it gonna be like up and like this?
It should be a line and then you're gonna put it in the middle. Just a tuldok.
Then after we do that, we can stick it down.
And let it dry.
And let it dry for minutes. Or seconds.
Okay, so we are already done. A couple of it, like this.
Yeah, so many.
Okay,
So,
that's for the post.
what's a post?
The haligi ng bahay.
There. Okay guys, so I changed my mind about the post because earlier I wanted some like the brown, light brown. So I decided to having blue because it's like having an accent of ocean. So I'm gonna make one of these more of post because I'm gonna make like what I did. Watch out